ओम ओम ओम। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम यश्छन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया विहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणः चक्षुः श्रोत्रम् अथो बलम् इन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्। अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरते ये उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तो। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम मधुवातारुतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्नः सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तमुतोषसि मधुमत्पार्थिवगं रजः मधुद्यौरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागम् अस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम नमो ब्रह्मादिभ्यो ब्रह्म विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो नमो गुरुभ्यः। हरि ओम। These Veda mantras have very effective, influential power in them of not only empowering every aspect of our personality, but also the integration of all these personality layers. Veda mantras, if chanted sincerely, regularly, after learning from the Guru, they have inherently the ability and capacity either directly to reveal their own meaning to us or bring some master who will explain that meaning to us. Veda mantra ucharana slowly with its own power brings to our cognition the real goal of life is within as our own self. And same Veda mantra ucharana has its own divine power to bring to us also the sadhana aspect of how to reach to that goal. More than all these things, what are the two things required are, one is consistent shraddha, faith in the means and goal. Second is consistent application of this shraddha in the form of practice. Shraddha yukta prayatnaha eva. This alone will give us the result. And these Veda mantras, when they chanted regularly, as if this Shruti Mata is a mother, is pleased by us, by our seeing our regular chanting, like when the children are obedient and loving, how much kind and loving the mother becomes to take all aspects, to take full care of that child. In the same way, the Shruti Mata herself will give that consistency in Shraddha and faith, the consistency in doing the sadhana which is known by us. And that is why in our Indian tradition, every day there is the Veda mantra patana, ucharana, Veda mantro yukta, Gayatri, upasana ityadi, Veda mantra ukta yagna yagadi, they used to perform. And that is why they never lost sight of the goal, never lost sight of the means, never lost into this imaginary world which is so powerfully influencing us by covering our mind intellect and again tempting us by saying that I am true, come to me, I will give you happiness. Itna bhayankar maya mein. Those times they were not, because they never gave time to the mind or the world. They were busy in studying Vedas, chanting Vedas, understanding Vedas, practicing Vedas, doing the Yajnayaga prescribed in the Vedas. Their times were just spent, just like in this lockdown period. Some people's times are fully, rightly utilized in sleeping for 18 hours out of 24. Because the 6 hours, somebody at home has to work, therefore they'll get up. And some other people are fully engaged in watching TV. Some are fully engaged in their own yoga asanas. Some are fully utilizing their time, their own swadhyaya sadhana. Some are doing their own pending works. In the same way, earlier, the people were busy in worshipping the Shruti Mata in all these aspects. Therefore, they never had time or chance for anything else to influence them, to misguide them. Those Veda mantras, we are given the blessings and opportunity by the Rishi Parampara and Guru Parampara to chant. And never mind if complete chanting without mistakes is not possible today. It will be possible after few months. Also never mind if the complete meaning is not understood. For the time being, it will be revealed. Most important third aspect is, what is the relation between these Vedic mantras and my life? Why should I spend this half an hour of my precious valuable life's time for this chanting or for this session? That also you will come to know. If you are really honest enough, unbiased enough, you will see that this chanting of Veda mantras is influencing your intellect in its right thinking and decision, influencing our own mind in being positive and positively emotional. And this Veda mantra Ucharana has capacity of eliminating all non-positivities, even at the gross body, and also in our 9 systems of the body, and also in our prana shakti, and also in the mind. ये सब ऐसे कहने वाले बात नहीं है. आप करके देखिएगा, निरंतर रेगुलर उसका असर हमें पता चलेगा. So in the same spirit and mood of utter dedication and gratitude and commitment, we will continue our this session of Aham Brahmasmi Chinmayam. This is the main title. And in this, now mantra mananam meditation. 7 days, 7 mantras we have seen. Each one very powerful, very divine. And in every of these mantras, the 3 things which every one of us have to remember is, one is we are doing pratigna. Second, we are fulfilling that pratigna in our prayatnam. Third, We are seeking the grace of the Lord for the result of this prayatnam, and that seeking of the grace through prarthana. Remember, pratigna, prayatna, prarthana. Today's mantra is very simple, very beautiful one, very relevant. And it tells us, if we give time to understand it, how to integrate our vak, manaha and buddhi, and thus involve fully in our pursuits, whether it is worldly or spiritual. And while involving, we will enjoy the work, and with joy when we do the work, because of the integration, the work will be perfect. Because the work is perfect, the result will be also so wonderful. All those things are hidden or revealed in these mantras. Today's mantra is Om Vang Me Manasi Pratishtita Mano Me Vachi Pratishtitam Aviravirma Edi Vedasyama Anistha Shrutam Me Ma Prahasihi Anena Adhitena Ahoratran Sandadhami Rutam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmamavatu Tadvaktaramavatu Avatumam Avatu Vaktaram Avatu Vaktaram. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. The simple meaning of this mantra in few sentences. I hope you are fully focusing your attention to listen every word and try to understand the meaning, which is told in only few examples or sentences. Otherwise, to make you fully understand, we can use time, we can use all examples, and we can really make it happen. So Om is the name of the Lord, both the Nirguna and also our own Ishta Devata. And here it means, like in Gita said, Mam Arusmara and Ayudhyacha. Remember me and fight the battle of your life. Here also in Vedic tradition, any of the work that is undertaken, they used to start with Om, remembering the God. Even भोजन के लिए बैठना है, Om भोर भुवः स्वः. निद्रा उपक्रमण करना है तो Om रामस्कंदम हनुमंतम. Early morning they get up, Om Samudravasane Devi Parvatastana Mandale. Anything they do, they start with Om because it's the name of God. Om, we call them. Yeah, tell me what you want. Sir, we are taking some pratignyas. Please bless us to fulfill the pratignya through prayatnam. And also, you are the karma phala data, sadhana phala data. You only said Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. You said you will bring from big basket or anything to us, whatever we deserve. And also you said, Yogasya Kshemam Vahami. I'll see that your sadhana yields the results. So keep up that promise and give us some things which we are asking. So what are they? First, Vang Me Manasi Pratishtita. Oh Lord, my speech is established in my mind. It was not there earlier. But then Guru gave me the instructions and training. I went through the training rigorously, vigorously, fully, thoroughly, and reached to this point today. What is that point? My speech is established in the mind. Me vaak manasi pratishtita. Mere vani मन में प्रतिष्ठित हो गई. What is the meaning of that? See how important it is. The meaning is, my speech is speaking only that which my mind is saying. And my mind is minding and monitoring what my speech is speaking. Therefore, there is no disintegration. There is a full integration between my vak, the speech, the karmendriya, the mana, the antakarana. See how many times we talk which we know that it is not right. And we say it, we don't like also, but mukh se wo nikal jata hai. So here, vag me manase pratishtita, for our context, the meaning is, I am not chanting these mantras just mechanically. Because when you do 3-4 times, you become familiar with that mantra. Then the mouth chants mechanically, mind keeps running somewhere else. No, I am not allowing. I have integrated both of them with concentration also. The Vani is concentrating in uttering every word as it is. The mind is concentrating in listening to the chanting and making the chanting of the mouth happen without mistake and trying to analyze the meaning also. Vagme manasi pratishtita. And this is meditation. What is meditation? When Kriya Shakti or Vak Shakti is merged in Mano Shakti or Jnana Shakti. Then all these Shaktis finally merge in Chiti Shakti, that is the self. That is how in higher level of deep heated meditations, this is how it happens. We will share it as we are together for many years to come. Dhire dhire sab batayenge. So Vangme manasi pratishtita. Then Mano me vachi pratishthitam. My mind is established in the speech. From my standpoint, my mind alone guiding the speech and observing what speech is happening. And from the Guru's standpoint, Mano me Guroho vachi pratishtitam or Vedasya vachi pratishtitam. My mind is established in the mantra which the Guru is chanting and making me repeat. My mind is established in the meaning of that mantra which Guru is trying to explain to me. Here both, to understand the mantra, my mind is fully established and focused. And when I have focused my mind to understand, it is not at all difficult. Because we are not so buddhu, useless mental cases. We are intelligent. Anything, if it is told 3 or 4 times, we don't accept it. We are disobedient. It's okay, but we definitely understand. Our arrogance doesn't allow to follow the instruction, but our intellect always works to understand. Therefore, Mano me vachi pratishthitam, my mind doubtlessly established in the speech of the Guru. Both when he is chanting the mantra, I am establishing in the chanting. When he is revealing the meaning, I am understanding that meaning. And I am convinced about the meaning. And I am committed to that conviction. And I am consistent in my commitment. And my commitment became my habit. My habit became my nature. And I am experiencing my happy nature. These are the levels. Mano me vachi pratishtam. Okay? Avihi ma edhi. So, this knowledge of scriptures, avihi means like avirbhuta. You know what avirbhuta means? Avirbhavati. Manifestation. So, edhi means this particular knowledge of scriptures, which is indicating to us the goal and means, about which I am now confused and confounded because of inability to understand the logic and subtlety this side. Second, because habituated to this world as the goal. But I am establishing my speech in the mind, mind in the speech, mind in Guru's speech. Therefore, I am praying to you, O Om, O God. What is the prayer? Avihi ma edhi. This knowledge may manifest and manifest in me. First as audition, second as understanding, third as practice, fourth, let it manifest as experience. In me only it is there. Manifest ho jaye. Then Vedasya ma'ani istaha. See, Ved में जो भी rules and regulations बताए हैं, all these indications, all of that, earlier it is manifest. It is now Vedasya ma'ani istaha. Let all this knowledge of Vedas be embedded in the core of my personality. Anihista means let it be like the arrow when it's shot at the target. The target goes and enters into that, the arrow goes and enters into the target. In the same way, let Veda mantras fully be embedded into me, soaked into me. Like when you embed a particular jewel or any of the valuable stone in a gold, what happens is, it is inside that gold, giving the beauty to entire ornament without falling from there. Embedment, you all know more than me. So, Vedasya ma'ani istaha, the Veda Jnana be embedded in me as embroidery, uska mudra ho jaye, या वो मेरे अंदर ऐसे चला जाए there is no difference between the Vedic jnana and my jivana. Let them totally become one with it. So first let it be embedded, then let the experience come. Or when we asked him, let it manifest. But manifest होने के लिए तुम्हारे अंदर नहीं है वो ज्ञान, तो फिर अज्ञान भी दे दो. Both prayers we are asking the Om. Avi avihima edhi, then Vedasyama ani istaha. So let this manifest and let it embed. Let it embed first in me as an experience to myself, and let it manifest outside for everybody to get benefited or influenced or inspired. Or let it manifest in me as practical sadhana, and when sadhana is done, the experience comes, and let experience be fully embedded in me or established in me. So that again this fanciful, this whimsical, or this is very glittering world should not attract me again. थोड़ा अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है मतलब वेद में दिया हुआ लक्ष्य हमारे हृदय में भी बैठा नहीं है. Clear? Vedasya ma'ani istaha. Then the next beautiful mantra, Shrutam me ma prahasihi. Shrutam, whatever I am listening in the class from the Guru Parampara, Shrutam me, for me, ma prahasihi, should not go away from me, should not leave me. What I listen, that knowledge should not leave and go away from me. Please bless that it doesn't leave me and that stays, remains always with me. This is very important prayer and very important desire also. कि जो सुना है भूल गए तो क्या फायदा? Then how to do that the heard knowledge is not gone or not removed or didn't leave us? Next one is the commitment, the pratigna of the disciple. We have seen pratigna, prarthana, prayatna, सब है उसमें. So then next one is pratigna and prayatna. What is that? Anena adhitena. Anena adhitena. With this adhyayana, whatever I am doing the knowledge, listening from the Guru, ahoratran sandadhami. Day in and day out, night, night after day after night, day after day, sandadhami. I will do the meditation, I will do the anusandhanam, I will do the remembrance of whatever I am listening from you, O Guru, O Lord, day in and day out. Therefore, see that this knowledge doesn't leave me. Dekha? How many times in every of our classes we are saying the importance of repetition, the importance of continuously being in touch with the Sadguru, in touch with the Satsanga, in touch with the Shastra, in touch with the Sadhana. We are matured so much in managing the world. But when it comes to managing our own self, our own life, our own sadhana, how immaturely, stupidly we work, we decide as if we don't know anything about it. No conviction, no consistency, no longing to know the scriptures, no desire at all to grow in our own spiritual sadhana. Itne immaturity. Just like children. And they don't want to study. And when you tell them to play or eat, उसमें फिर माहिर होते हैं. Masters. We are also masters of managing the world, defeating the world, winning the world, cheating the world, convincing the world, becoming hero in the world. ये सब तो करते हैं, but when it comes to managing or mastering our own mind and guiding and directing it to the real self from the मिथ्या प्रपंच, वहां तो दो चीजें, बुद्धू बेवकूफ होते हैं, दूसरा वो बेवकूफ ही बने रहते हैं. All gurus come, try to tell us, and they get defeated and go away. We are victorious. मैं जैसा का वैसा ही रहूंगा, चाहे खुद कितने भी गुरु आए, भगवान आए, मैं स्पिरिचुअल नहीं बनूंगा, कुछ साधना नहीं करूंगा, बीती जाए उमर यारे. Here the disciple is not like that. He says, Anena adhitena ahoratran sandadhami. I would have been very happy even if at least one of you have messaged me by saying, स्वामी जी आपने 108 बार कहा, हमने 216 बार इस मंत्र को चैंटिंग किया. स्वामी लोग फोकट में मिलते हैं ना, इसलिए हमने चैंटिंग किया. ये बात मेरे खुद खुशी के लिए बताने की भी इच्छा नहीं होती आपको. दिस इज हाउ द डिसाइपल्स It is not you, the ego, addressed here. It is you, the intellect and the mind, which takes the things very seriously, which have to be taken for lightly, and which takes for the granted the important things. Because anena aditena ahoratran sandadami. 7 days have passed, 7 mantras are taught. How many of these 7 mantras are by-hearted by us, along with the meaning and prayerful meditation every day? Those are gone, no? Some have never cared that message. Some look at the message and immediately delete. And many know that these are the funny messages come from Swamiji. Therefore, they don't even look at them. Some unfortunate people look at it and they just reply with 2,500 excuses. That Swamiji, by all these I am proving that you are the least important person in my life and your teachings are not at all required. I am more wise than Vedas and you. Some people reply. And some of us attend, but we don't tend to be sincere in the practice of it. And that's why wherever we were, we remain there only. Whose fault it is? It is ours. Anena aditena ahoratran sandadami. What a joy to see such disciple who says, "Oh Guru, it is your job to teach to us for half an hour. Your work is done. Will not burden you more than that. The remaining 23 hours and after till we come tomorrow, we will do our anusandhana of this mantra." Gurudev himself is teaching us these mantras, establishing the meaning and meditation of them. No other need of any other thing. बाकी सब छोड़ो, अपना खुद का जो सोचा है. मैं वो नाचना क्लास में गया हूँ, ये गाने के क्लास में गया हूँ, एक खाना बनाने के क्लास में गया हूँ. Don't cheat Guru, because you can't cheat Guru, you are cheating yourself. Anena aditena ahoratran sandadami. Rutam vadishyami. I will speak only what is there in scriptures. Rutam is the scriptural truth. Satyam vadishyami. That scriptural truth, when I am convinced because of my understanding, logical inquiry, and little of practice, and I got the result and anubhava, then I am so much convinced about it. That conviction is called as Satyam. I will speak that. Rutam vadishyami is, for myself, the scriptural injunctions only I follow. Satyam vadishyami is, those scriptural injunctions, when practiced, I got the experience. Satyam, that alone I tell others. Then, tanmam avatu, tat paramatma, mam, me avatu, protect. Tad vaktaram avatu, let this God, Paramatma, protect vaktaram. Protect, empower, all that. Avatu means all that. Protect them, nurture them, nourish them, empower them, guide them, take care. ये सब उसमें ऐड करना. अवतु मीन्स रक्षणा इतने तरह का होता है. अवतु वक्तारम, then तद वक्तारम अवतु अवतु माम, again asking, अवतु वक्तारम, again asking, अवतु वक्तारम asked 2 times again. मेरा प्रोटेक्शन करो. वक्ता गुरु का रक्षा करो, मेरा रक्षा करो, गुरु का रक्षा करो, गुरु का रक्षा करो. Because the Guru has to bless so many disciples like me. And if such Gurus who tell this very delicate, critical, subtle meaning of Veda mantras to a simple form, taking all the pains, how many are available on this earth globe? Sincerely, हमें पाठ पढ़ा के वेदों का हमारा भगवान से नाता जोड़ने वाले कितने हैं? अवतु वक्तारम. That should be the prayer. And there are only word to word meaning I told you. There are many subtler meanings. So, Om, O Lord, Vag me manasi pratishtita. My speech is established in my mind. Mano me vache pratishtitam. My mind is established in the speech of the Guru. Avihi ahirima edhi. Whatever I am listening, let that be manifest in me. Vedasya mahani istaha. The Veda Jnana Anubhava be embedded in me. Shrutam me ma prahasihi. Whatever I hear should not leave me, discard me. Anena aditena ahoratran sandadami. By this knowledge which I am doing the adhyanam, I will spend my days and nights in doing anusandhana with that. Rutam vadishyami. I will speak only scriptural truth. Satyam vadishyami. I will speak my true convictions. Tadmamavatu. Let that Lord protect the seeker in me. Tadvaktar mavatu. Let the Lord protect the guide, the Guru. avatu mam, may be protected, avatu vaktaram, may Guru be protected, avatu vaktaram. Okay, here only in the last avatu vaktaram there is Plutaswara. Remaining is a simple one. Go we a lot of time. So this we will chant today again 36 times. 9-3, 9-3, 9-3. Let it take its time. Okay, start. Om Vang me manasi pratisthita mano me vachi pratishthitam aviravirma edhi vedasya ma'anistha shrutam me ma prahasi अनेनाधीतेना होरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारमवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेनाहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवत्ववतु मामवतु वक्तारमवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ् मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मणिस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्म एधि वेदस्य मआणीस्थः श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासीः अनेनाधीतेन अहोरात्रान् सन्दधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्तिः 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 O Lord, let my speech be fully established and integrated with my mind. Let my mind be fully convinced of the knowledge to guide and order the speech. Let this knowledge manifest in me. Let this experience embed in me. Let whatever the knowledge I heard, understood and gained not leave me. And with this adhyanam knowledge, whatever I have gained, I will do the anusandhanam day in and day out. If I cannot chant, I will continuously do the anusandhanam of chanting till I become perfect. If I do not understand meaning, I will do anusandhanam with the effort of trying to understand the meaning till I understand it. If I am not able to do the sadhana practice, I will do day and night anusandhanam of this practice till I become perfect in that. And if I don't get the experience, till I get the experience, I try all my efforts to do anusandhanam with this effort of experience. Rutam vadishyami. I am speaking the scriptural truth. Satyam vadishyami. I am convinced that this is the ultimate goal. From that conviction I am speaking. Tanmam avatu. May the Lord protect me. Vaktaram avatu. Today the Guru is the speaker. May he be protected. There are so many Gurus giving this knowledge to the disciples. Let all of them be protected. One day I myself, from the Shrota to the Vakta, I may become. At the time, let the speaker in me speak you only, the truth alone, O Lord. Avatumam, protect me. Avatu Vaktaram, protect the teacher, the preceptor, the Guru, the guide. Avatu Vaktaram. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace by forgetting all the past. Let there be peace in the present while performing. Let the experience be the peace as a result in the future. Om. Om Vang me manasi pratishtita mano me vachi pratishtita ma viravirma edhi vedasya ma anista shrutam me ma prahasirane naditena horatran sandadhamritam vadishyami satyam vadishyami tanma mavatu tadvaktaram avatvavatu mamavatu vaktaram avatu vaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Actually, in this entire Shanti mantra, there is no full stop. This should be chanted like this. So for learning, we broke it in different places and tried to learn. Once we master it, we will chant without break, without Sandhi Vichhed. Om. Om. सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। परम ऋषिभ्यो नमः। श्रुतिमात्रे नमः। हरि ओम।